You hear it said often, split test your Facebook ads. Well, what exactly does that mean? Well, today I'll share exactly what split testing is and how to do it correctly. Let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Split testing, by definition, is a method of conducting controlled experiments with the goal of improving a website metric such as clicks, views, leads, or purchases. In other words, it's used as a method to further enhance performance. The first thing you'll need when split testing your Facebook ads is an actual campaign that you want to split test. Once you have a campaign in mind, you'll need different variables to split test. You can split various things like the landing pages that you use, the ad copy, the image, the audiences, etc., etc. But the most important thing that I can tell you about split testing is that don't split test more than one variable. In other words, don't change the ad copy, the audience, the image all at once. Split test those. Change one variable at a time. Because if you change more than two variables at a time, you won't necessarily know which one of those variables produced the outcome. So today I'll show you two different ways of split testing on Facebook. Regardless of the one that you choose, they're both correct. It's really just a preference. All right, so let's look at the first way of split testing. We're here at our ads manager and we're gonna select a marketing objective. We're gonna go with traffic. And we're gonna start the split testing from here. You're gonna see create split test. A/B test your creative, placement, audience, and delivery optimization. So we're gonna toggle that on, and you have the option of selecting the variable right here from this screen. We're gonna select one just so we can keep going, even though we don't actually have to select one in order to keep going, but we'll select one, which we're gonna go with the creative, and then we'll get the definitions of what they mean here on the next screen. The variable, select the variable to test how different strategies impact your ad performance. So with the creative, you see understand which creative your audience is more likely to engage with. Understand what optimization events lead to better results. And then the audience, understand which groups of people are more likely to respond to your ads. And then the placement, understand which placements are most effective for your ads. So when you go to creative, understand which creatives your audience is more likely to engage with. If you select that, notice that you have ad A and ad B. So you're just gonna continue as normal, keep going, and then you see ad A, we are right here, and you create the campaign, create the ad that you want to launch from this screen. And then with B, you're gonna test a different ad creative, basically what the name is saying. All right, so we're gonna go back, then come back up here. So let's just say we wanted to do the delivery. Understand which optimization events lead to better results. When you go to delivery, you get to optimize for different objectives. So if you want landing page views, we'll deliver your ads to people who are more likely to click on your ads link and load the website. That's the important part. Loading the website or the instant experience. If you were to do link clicks, we'll deliver your ads to the people most likely to click on them. So simply because they clicked doesn't mean that they actually saw what you had on the landing page or on the website, wherever you're driving the traffic to. So that's a different type of optimization. And if you want to optimize for impressions, we'll deliver your ads to people as many times as possible. And daily unique reach, will deliver your ads to people up to once a day. So there, it's looking for more people. With the impressions, it's looking to show your ad as many times as possible to similar people or the people that already saw it once. All right, so you would be able to split test right there. There's your A/B split testing. You can add another set if you want, and you can test all of them. There's actually 4 different things that you can use to optimize for the ad delivery. Now, when you go to the audience, understand which groups of people are more likely to respond to your ads. So you see here the split testing that we have. Let's just say you wanted to target If you want to target based off of age, based off of gender, based off of pretty much anything that you want to target, this is where you would go to do that. So you would just save it and keep going. All right, so keep in mind that if you're running a special ad category, then some of these options aren't necessarily there for you. When you're running a special ad audience or a special ad then you're looking at mostly the detailed targeting right there. You're not going to be able to adjust the age, the gender. You can adjust the languages, but basically the rest of it is pretty locked in. All right, when you go to placement, you have the various options of selecting the place that you want your ads to show up. So you can test, let's just say ad set A is the automatic placements, ad set B, you edit the placements, and you only want them on Facebook as the example. So only stay on Facebook. And then on your ad set C, you can edit that and only do Instagram if you so choose. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Alright, so that's one way of split testing. However, the preferred way of split testing for me is by creating the campaign first and then coming back and doing whatever split testing I want. So if I wanted to split test the ad creative, I would just duplicate from the ad level, and then I would change whatever I wanted, whether that's the image or the headline or the primary text, whatever I'm doing. So I'm just going to close that real quick. So I would just, again, duplicate it and then adjust anything that I want. And if I wanted to adjust the budget optimization, I would just duplicate, I'm sorry, getting ahead of myself. I would duplicate from the ad set level. And then scroll down here, and then optimization for the ad delivery. I would just select one of these, which are the options that we had in the past. Same thing with placements. I would just edit right here, whatever I wanted to split test. And then from the audience, I would select this as well. Again, the most important thing is selecting one variable at a time and split test to see which one's going to give you the best results. Well, this has been how to split test Facebook ads. If you found value in this video, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.